Okay, so next definition in numerical methods is numerical integration. We have seen the solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. In last lecture, there were two methods. The first was, what is the first method? Sorry, to solve algebraic and transcendental equations. What was the first method in that?
Regular falsy.
Right, regular falsy, and second was Newton-Raphson, correct. So next is not algebraic transcendental, but the numerical integrations. Integrations, we have to solve integration, but by approximation or by some formula. So such integrations we cannot easily solve. We can solve them by using this numerical integration. So we just write the formula first. The process of evaluating, write the definition. The process of evaluating a definite integral. A definite integral. What is definite? What is a definite integral? From a set of definite integral, say integration a to b f of x dx. The process of evaluating a definite integral, integration f of x dx from a to b, from a set of tabulated values. Set of some tabulated values of integrand f of x. Of integrand f of x is called numerical integration. So we are doing numerical integration. So we are finding the value of the integration, but by using some tabulated values, not using actual integration. So in that, the very first method is Newton-Cote's method. Newton-Cote's method of numerical integration. Okay, here we have to find, suppose integration x naught something to xn of f of x dx. This integration. So you have to break this x naught to xn. So xn you can define as x naught plus h, x naught plus some value of n h. So it is okay. You can just follow this x naught xn only, integration from x naught to xn f of x dx. It is defined as h. H is the length interval. You have to define it there. I'll tell you how to define. Generally, how do you define is, you have to break this x naught to xn in equal heights, like x naught, x1, x2, so on up to xn. So the difference is h in each of the this interval. That is h. We'll define it in given question. So you have to break the integration. So h is the length of that interval into n into y naught. Now what is y naught? I'll tell you. Just write the formula. Plus n square by 2 into delta y naught. What is delta? Have you studied delta? That is the forward difference operator. Delta is the forward difference. This delta. So n square by 2 delta y naught plus 1/2 n cube by 3 minus n square by 2 into delta square y naught plus, we'll write one more, 1 by 6 n raised to 4 upon 4 minus n cube plus n square into delta cube y naught plus so on. Okay, this is the formula. This is Newton-Cote's formula. And by using this, we are going to derive three formulae by generalizing it by writing n as some particular value. So suppose n is 1, n is 2, n is 3. So if n is 1, we'll get trapezoidal rule. If n is 2, we'll get Simpson's 1/3 rule. And if n is 3, we get Simpson's 3/8 rule. So these three rules are for your study. This is the basic formula you have to remember. But the important is its generalization. So just write this and then write the first formula, that is trapezoidal rule. Write it number 1, the last formula, call it as 1. Give the heading. Next, trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule of integration, obviously. So this rule can be deduced by writing or substituting n is 1 in your equation 1, that is in Newton-Cotes formula. If you write n is 1, we get trapezoidal rule. Okay, so we are not going to actually solve it. Okay, I will give you formula, directly remember the formula. So the trapezoidal rule is x naught to xn f of x dx is defined as h by 2 in bracket y naught plus yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus so on up to yn minus 1. That is, it is also be defined as h by 2 sum of, this is sum of first and last ordinates, y's ordinates, sum of first and last ordinates plus 2 times sum of remaining ordinates of y. Please note, this is trapezoidal rule. Okay, so it started with y naught, y1, y2, so on up to yn, right? So y naught, if you are calling this as first, this will be second ordinate, this will be third ordinate, and so on, right? So though y2, we can see y2, but this is the third ordinate, so this is at the odd number. Okay, y3 will be the fourth, though it is 3, but it is at the fourth number, so this is the even ordinate. Please remember, put it again. Y naught is first. Okay, so y1 is second, so this is also even. The thing which we see even, like 2 is even, but y2 is the odd ordinate. Okay, so next, second rule in this segment is Simpson's 1/3 rule. Before that, you should write one note, can be asked for MCQs. So what important here is the formula. Kasala, it doesn't matter. Just remember this. The note you can write, though the method, directly write this, error in trapezoidal rule. Error in this rule is of order h square. It is of order h square. And second note you can write, the accuracy can be increased. The answer's solution value its accuracy can be increased by decreasing the value of h. Value of h. h म्हणजे आपण जो हा इंटरवल घेतोय ना याचे x0 to xn we are parting it like x0 to x1, x1 to x2 up to xn. हे जर आणखी तुम्ही छोटे छोटे इंटरवल्स करत गेलात तर आणखी त्याची ऍक्युरसी वाढत जाईल. जेवढी h ची व्हॅल्यू मोठी आहे सपोज 1 2 असेल तर 1 हाफ आणि मग 1 आणि मग 1 and 1 half and then 2. Like if you are increasing the value, so if you are decreasing the value of h, आणखी कमी 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 इंटरवल करत गेला की त्याची ऍक्युरसी वाढत जाईल. नेक्स्ट रूल, it is Simpsons 1/3 rule. There is Simpsons 1/3 rule. And is defined as integration x0 to xn f of x beta dx. So this can be obtained by putting n is equal to 2 in Newton-Cotes formula. If you put n is 2, we'll get this formula. So the formula is h by 3. Trapezoidal चा एकदा बघा, it was h by 2. आणि Simpsons 1/3 चा बघा h by 3. Okay. In bracket y0 plus yn. Same again, first plus last plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus y6 and so on, and plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus so on. That is, it is h by 3 into sum of first and last, sum of first and last ordinates of y, right, plus 2 times sum of even or odd. These are even or odd. y2 y4. आता मागे सांगितलं ना मी तुम्हाला, जरी हा इव्हन दिसत असला तरी हा पोझिशन काय आहे,
ऑड
ऑड आहे. सम ऑफ ऑड ऑर्डिनेट्स 2 times sum of odd plus 4 times sum of even. This is the formula. So you can remember this as Simpsons 1/3 rule. Note, though y2 has suffix even, it is third ordinate. It is y2, y0, y1, y2, third, right? It is third ordinate, and that's why odd. Third is the odd, so that's why we are calling it odd. And second note, error. Error can be asked. Error in Simpsons 1/3. Simpsons 1/3 rule is of order h raised to 4. Done. Simpsons 1/3. Just take a look again. First plus last, h by 3 is out, 2 times odd plus 4 times even. And trapezoidal is h by 2, first plus last, and 2 times all remaining. Next rule here is Simpsons 3/8 rule. So give the next heading, Simpsons 3/8 rule of integration. So it can be obtained by putting n is 3 in Newton-Cotes formula. So Newton-Cotes gives you all this 3 formulae. by writing n is 1, 2, and 3. So if n is 3, we put in 1 Newton force, we get this, which is equal to integration x naught to xn of that f of x dx. It will be 3h by 8. 3h, so 3h by 8. 1/3, so h by 3, 1 by 3h. And trapezoidal is half. Into y naught plus yn, first plus last, plus 3 times y1, y2, y4, y5, y7, like that, plus so on, and plus 2 times y3, y6, y9, so on. What we are doing? First, last, 3 times. Here, 3 times, we'll see this later. Here, we are collecting 2 times y3, 3 multiples. Y3 3 multiple. So y3, y6, y9, all we are collecting here, multiplying by 2. And then first, last here, and all the remaining here, which are multiplied by 3. That is 3h by 8, first plus last, right? Plus 3 times remaining all except multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 plus 2 times all the multiples of 3. So this is the formula, Simpson's 3/8 rule. And you will write one note here also. So error in Simpson's 3/8 rule is of order same as Simpson's 1/3 h raised to 4. Same as Simpson's 1/3 rule. Same order. Okay, so once again, I'll expect from you to collect all those formulae together. So I'll do it for you. First, trapezoidal. Can you just tell me the trapezoidal rule? Integration x naught to xn f of x dx is equal to h by 2 y naught plus yn plus 2 times, is this correct, remaining all y2, y3 plus so on up to yn minus 1. बाकी राहिलेले सगळे हे दोन सोडून. करेक्ट आहे का, चेक करा. Okay, this is trapezoidal rule. Then second, Simpson's 1/3. It is integration x naught to xn f of x dx is equal to h by 3 y naught plus yn plus what? 2 times or odd, right? y2, y4, so on, plus 4 times even y1, y3, so. Next, Simpson's 3/8 rule you will write here. Simpson's 3/8. So it is integration x naught to xn f of x dx is equal to 3h by 8 y naught plus yn first plus last plus 3 times remaining all except the multiples of 3. So y3 na येणार आहे, y4, y5 येईल, y6 na येणार आहे, y7 येईल, and so on, and plus 2 times all the multiples of 3, so y3, y6, and so on. So this is how is the formula. Please remember all of them. ठीक है, चलो. So we'll go to solve the question. Evaluate integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square by using, and now these are all three different questions. First, by trapezoidal rule. Second, Simpson's 1/3 rule. And third, Simpson's 3/8 rules. The same question is asked by all the three methods, 3/8 rule. So you have to solve the integration, but not actual integration. We have to solve it by these all three rules. Okay. So first thing is, for all of them, we'll need h. H. So this is interval given. From this interval only we can find h. So given interval is 0 to 6. So divide that 0 to 6 into, now the problem is, if the question is हे तिघं पण असतील ना, Simpsons 1/3 3/8, so 1/3 3/8 Simpsons ला 3 times असं काहीतरी लागतंय. So 3 multiples लागतात Simpsons ला. ठीक आहे, मग याला 3 multiple मध्ये तुम्ही डिवाइड करू शकता, किंवा व्हेरी सिंपल आहे, एकच काम करा, असं करा. 6 upper limit minus lower limit upon, आता तुम्हाला किती मध्ये डिवाइड करायचे तुम्ही ठरवा. 6 इटरेशन, 6 मध्ये बस आपल्याला 6 व्हॅल्यू मध्ये. सो आपण याला 6 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइड करूयात. 6 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइड केला की 6 minus 0 upon 6. This is the value of h. So what is the value of h is 1 here. म्हणजे प्रत्येक 6 पार्ट्स मध्ये याला डिवाइड करायचंय. सो 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, like this. So divide this interval in 6 parts. So h is 1 here. It's your choice. You can take h is half also. So जितकी व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही h कमी करत जाल तितकी अॅक्युरसी तुमची वाढत जाईल. ठीक आहे. सो इट इज अप टू यू. जर दिलेली असेल तर 30 घ्यावी लागेल, नसेल तर यू कॅन चूज. सो यू चूज हियर 1. आता कारण 0 to 6 आहे, ऍटलीस्ट 6 व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळतील 1 घेतला तरी. पण जर इथे 0 to 2 असेल तर आपण h ला 1 घेऊन चालेल का, फक्त 2च व्हॅल्यू मिळतील. 2 व्हॅल्यू मध्ये काय होईल. सो h देअर यू हॅव टू चूज की आपण मग h हाफ घ्यायचा की h 0.25 घ्यायचा वगैरे, यू कॅन चूज. सो हियर h इज 1. Okay. Next, we have integration a to b f of x dx. So comparing this, we get f of x is, what is the f of x? We have to define. Let f of x is equal to, compare it with this integration a to b f of x dx. So what is f of x? 1 upon 1 plus
x square.
Correct. So whatever is this f of x, call it as y. Y is equal to f of x. Okay, so now you have to make a table of, these are your x, 0 to 6, a to b, whatever they are your x, and this is your y. So make a table of x and y. So x and y is but 1 upon, y is f of x, right? Which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 upon 1 plus x square. You have to make a table. So it starts with 0. It starts with 0 and you are taking h is 1. म्हणजे 0 नंतर height is 1. That width is 1. So after 1, you will get the value 1. Then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 and 6. We go up to 6 as upper limit is 6. Because h is 1. If you have chosen h is half, then the value कशा झाल्या असत्या? If h is half interval, h half असताना प्रत्येक हाफ ला व्हॅल्यू बदलली असती. म्हणजे 0, त्याच्यानंतर हाफ, मग हाफ नंतर प्लस हाफ, दॅट इज 1, मग देन 1 and 1 half, 1 1 half, then 2, then 2, 2 half, like this. Okay? So it depends on your choice of h. आपण h ला 1 घेतलाय, so प्रत्येकामधला difference हा 1 असेल. Okay, then corresponding these values now we have to find. So take x is 0, find out y. Can you take this on your calculator? 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 divided by bracket 1 plus alpha x square bracket complete. Calculate for x is 0. What is the value? To take this, you just write 1 divide bracket 1 plus x square. Now we know how to write this, right? Alpha and that bracket close will give you this x. So you are calculating for 0. What is the value?
1.
1.
1.
Now calculate for 1. What is the value?
0.5.
0.5.
0.5. Correct. Do it for 2.
0.2.
0.2. Correct. Do it for 3.
0.1.
0.1. Very good. Do it for 4.
0.05.
0.05588.
88 something. Okay. At least 4 digit you should write. Calculate for 5.
0.0384.
3846. So you can write 5. 6 असल्यामुळे. पुढे. Calculate for 6.
0.02702.
0.027. पुढे
02.
0 चे सोडून देऊयात. 0.027. Okay. So we got the table. Now this table is very important. या व्हॅल्यू सगळ्या करेक्ट असाव्यात. We have a table now. Now whatever is this y, पहिला, what you will call this? These are the values of y. So first is y naught, then this is y1, this is y2, y3, y4, y5, and this is y6. Okay? So we have the values. Now we can solve by the rules asked. So first rule is trapezoidal rule. So you first write the rule. Integration a to b, it is given 0 to 6. F of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to, what is the formula? You'll write the formula first. H by 2, first plus last. First is y naught, last is y6. Y naught plus y6 plus 2 times remaining all. Y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. And put the values and solve. H is what but? We have choose h as 1. So 1 by 2 into y naught is 1 plus y6 0.027 plus 2 times y1 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 0.0588, 0.0385. Right? Solve this, you will get the answer. To bracket 0.5 plus, do this. Plus 1.027 by 2. Got the answer? Please tell me if you are done. You can take this as it is in your calculator. हे जसे ब्रॅकेट्स आहेत ना तेवढे ब्रॅकेट्स घेऊन जरी सॉल्व्ह केलं तरी मिळेल. बोला, आलंय का? सांगा.
0.17720.
No. No,
2.3082.
not 2 point. Do it again. 1 by 2 you can write 0.5, double bracket you can give 1 plus 0.027 bracket 1 complete plus 2 in bracket 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.0588.
1.41.
Correct. Plus 0.0385 bracket complete, one more bracket complete. Got it? 1.4108. This is the answer by trapezoidal rule to the given integration. Okay, so trapezoidal is done. Now go by Simpsons 1/3. Shall we solve this? Second, by Simpsons 1/3. What is the rule? Integration. Your limits are now 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square. It is h by 3. 1/3 h by 3. Y naught plus what? First last. Last is what? By 6. Plus, plus what? Plus what? Formula. 2 into odd. And 4 into even. किंवा हेच लक्षात ठेवा 2 into काय बोला 2 into गेला ऑड म्हणजे थर्ड ना सो थर्ड y2 फिफ्थ y4 आणि हा आला असता पण हा ऑलरेडी आला आहे y6 म्हणजे काय झालं 2 into y2 y4 दोनच आले त्यामध्ये प्लस 4 into इवन कुठले कुठले आहेत बोला
y1
y1
y3
y3 आणि
y5
y5 correct. So yes, you have to do this now. So h is 1 by 3, y naught is 1 plus y6 0.027 plus 2 times y2 y4 0.2 plus y4 is 0.0588 4 times y1 0.5 y3 0.1 y5 0.0385. Okay, do this, tell me answer. Done?
One 1.3662.
1.3662, correct. Perfect. So is there change in both the answers? You can check by trapezoidal and by Simpson. So it was 1.4108 and it is 1.3662. So unique answer will be obtained by each of the methods. So there will not be the same solution. You have to obtain, and this is the particular value you will get by 1/3 rule only. Chala, third. You have to solve by Simpsons 3/8 also. Simpsons 3/8 rule. हे जे आहे ते MCQ साठी खूप छान आहे. फॉर्म्युला मध्ये व्हॅल्यू पण दिलेल्या असतील मे बी जस्ट यू नीड अ फॉर्म्युला. So here integration 0 to 6, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to, tell me the formula, 3h by 8 into y naught plus first last y naught y6 plus 3 times remaining all except 3 multiples. So remaining all are y1, y2, y3 नाही घ्यायचा कारण तो 3 मल्टिपल आहे, y4, y5 आणि जो 3 मल्टिपल आहे तो 2 टाइम्स काय राहिला फक्त y3 राहिला, y6 तर इथे आलाय ऑलरेडी, जो आलाय तो रिपीट करू नका. Now solve. 3h is 1, 3 by 8, 1 plus 0.027, 3.5.2, 0.0588 plus 0.0385 plus 2 times y3 0.1. Solve this.
One point 357.
Correct. 1.3571. This is by Simpson's 3/8 rule. And if you want the actual value, so actual काय असेल ती पण बघूयात आपण. Integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square. So what is the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square? Tan inverse x from 0 to 6. So it is tan inverse 6 minus tan inverse 0. So I think these values we can get on calculator. Is the tan inverse आहे. So just पहिलं तर हे रेडियन मध्ये असावं, tan आहे म्हणजे, सो नसेल तर त्याला रेडियन मध्ये आणा. ठीक आहे. सो नाउ शिफ्ट and tan inverse 6, you got something, minus shift पुन्हा एकदा tan inverse येईल, tan inverse 0. What is the answer?
1.456.
Right, 1.456 something. So this is the actual value. So more accurate value in this example is given by which method? This is 1.35. Actually is 40. This is 36 and this is 41. So more near value is given by trapezoidal rule in this only. Okay, so it is not at all obvious that trapezoidal rule will give you the more accurate value. It is not the case. Most of the time Simpsons gives you the correct value, more correct value. So you cannot generalize which method is better. So in this example, trapezoidal was better. And it has a unique solution. Can you see? Every time we are getting different value. And these values are expected from you. So we are not solving this. This is just we have checked, but they have not asked you the actual value. So this is our extra work. So let it be. It is 1.4056. Is that clear to everyone? So the whole game is on this, what? Formulae. You have to remember the formula. Write the question. Evaluate. Integration -3 to 3 x raised to 4 by using first trapezoidal rule, second Simpson's rule. The Simpson's rule म्हटले म्हणजे दोन्ही पण येतील, Simpsons 1/3 आणि 3/8. And the question is verify your results. Verify your results by actual integration. Means whatever we have did last week. They asked you to do this here. Find the actual integration and verify the result, which is more closer. Chalo, start solving. First thing is we'll need here some function f of x. So what is f of x here? You will compare with integration a to b f of x dx.
X raised to 4.
Right, f of x is here x raised to 4. Call it as y. So y is f of x. Okay. So next is, this is a to b. You can just find b minus a. B is 3. 3 minus 3, that is 6. So you can divide this value in the 6 equal parts. So we can get h is 1. That is h is the 6 by 6. If you divide, that is b minus a by 6. This is your choice in how many parts you have to divide. So yes, we are dividing it into 6 parts. So because we are getting value of h is 1. So 6 by 6, that is 1. So h is here 1. And you can divide it in 12 parts also if you want. If you divide it in 12 parts, so you will get 0.5. But okay, we can divide in 6 parts only. So इथे लिहू शकता तुम्ही divide into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts म्हणजे याला 6 ने भाग द्यावा लागेल. We get h is 1. Chalo. H we have, function we have, so we should go to the table. X and y. Y is but x raised to 4. What are values of x? Can you tell me the values of x?
-3, -2,
Correct.
minus.
Very good. -3 to 3. हे जे आहे ना, पहिला होता 0 to 6 म्हणजे 0 आणि मग h होता 1 म्हणून 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 असं गेलं. आता -3 पासून सुरू करून 3 पर्यंत जायचंय, पण त्याला h is 1 म्हणजे हाईट 1 मध्ये डिवाइड करत चालायचंय. सो -3 to -2. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Is that correct? If h is 1, yes. Sure. So find the value of this x raised to 4. Means -3 raised to 4. What is the value?
81,
81. Good. Then -2 raised to 4.
16,
16. -1 raised to 4. 1.
1.
0, 1, 16, 81. These values, if it is easier, कॅल्सीवर घेतलं तरी चालेल किंवा मग याचं डिरेक्ट काढलं 3 raised to 4 -3 raised to 4 तरी चालेल. Okay, these are the values. Use them and solve by all the 3 methods. So first is trapezoidal rule. Integration, whatever asked, -3 to 3 x raised to 4 dx. Tell me the formula.
h by 2 into.
Correct. Is this y naught? So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
y1. Write this y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Now tell me.
Y0 plus y6
Correct.
plus
Plus
2 into
y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, remaining all. Solve this. H is 1, 1 by 2. 81 plus 81 plus 2 times 16 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 16. Do it.
one 115.
115. Okay, correct. Your answer is 115. Check. Everyone, please check this. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Go with Simpsons 1/3. Give the heading Simpsons 1/3. Write the formula there. So the formula is integration x raised to 4 dx. Tell me the formula, please.
H by 3 into
Correct. H by 3 into,
y0 plus y6.
correct, plus
2 into y2 plus y4.
2 into y2 plus y4, correct. Plus
4 into
4.
y1 plus y2.
y1, y3 आणि y5. आता मी जरी याला ऑड म्हटलं ना तरी तुम्हाला तुमच्या डोक्यात काय म्हणायचे तुम्हाला माहितीये. y2 y4 हे कसे दिसतायत, इव्हन सारखेच दिसतायत. लाईक ऑड म्हणा इव्हन म्हणा, आपल्याला कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे तुम्ही ठरवा. इव्हन असतील म्हणजे दिसायला, ऍटलीस्ट दिसायला 2 4 असे असतील तेव्हा त्याला 2 मल्टिप्लाय करायचंय आणि जेव्हा ऑड दिसतील तेव्हा त्याला 4 मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. रिमेंबर दॅट. चलो सॉल्व. 81 81 2 you will solve this now. As these are the approximation, so these are the nearer values, so you can write theta instead equal. You can use this sign theta, but okay, you can use equal also, no doubt in that. Tell me the value.
$98.
Correct, 98 by Simpsons 1/3. Next, Simpsons 3/8. Simpsons 3/8 rule. 12th ला झाले काय तुम्हाला? होता का 12th ला? नाही ना. 3h by 8. Tell me the formula.
y0 plus y6.
Correct. Plus 3 times remaining all except 3 multiples. So y1, y2, y4, y5, and those are 3 multiples 2 times 2y3. Do this. 3 by 8, 81 81 plus 3 y3 is 0. Solve this.
$99.
Okay, 99. Everyone please check whether it is correct. Yes, right. So yes, we got different values by different rules, and they have asked you to solve the actual integration also. So actual value. So we have to solve that integration. What is the integration x raised to 4?
X raised to 5 by 5.
Correct. X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 from -3 to 3. Sorry, -3 to 3. So here first you will put 3. So 3 raised to 5 upon 5. Minus, you will put x as -3. So -3 raised to 5 upon 5. Solve this.
97.2.
Just a minute. What is the answer?
97.2.
Correct. 97.2 is correct. So yes, if you will check now, if you will compare, so which one is the better in this?
Simpsons 1/3.
Simpsons 1/3 is nearer to this 97.2. Actual value is 97.2. So 98 is closer than 99. And this is very far. Trapezoidal goes very far. So yes, here, Simpsons, you can write the statement. Simpsons gives better. Simpsons 1/3 gives better approximation. Better approximation than trapezoidal. But not always, but not always true. की हे इज बेटर देईल. लास्ट टाइम आपण बघितलं की दुसरंच कोणीतरी बेटर देते. Okay, so remaining we will continue in our next lecture. We'll stop. Any doubt? Anything you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Chalo, we'll stop. Bye.